Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Spider-Man! Ninja Man! Iron Man!
With them Maseratis on there.
Run that shit!
I've been watching you at night. I think
Oh, that shit! Look how that shit look when I beat your ass! Oh! Look at shit landscape so I can see his whole body. Wait! That bicep!
You don't have to call, I hear my dance like Usher. Ooh! I just found my tempo like on DJ Must.
How much is it? $32.50.
bitch better have my money.
Let's race for the car. I don't want that trash racing for your girl. Deal.
What?
Shut up.
Get out! All I do is win, 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 no matter what.
What up, bitch? Hey, man. Where's my mother, father money? Witch? Ring finger. Happy New Year! Bring it in. Nothing. What was New Year, new me.
When he found the guy who stole his Jordans.
Bam! And Travis came back and started blasting them niggas up. How's everything been?
Everything is. I'm so sorry. I got Ebola.
That's cool.
I got the swine flu.
Swine flu, I love it. Oh, pass it to me and I pass it back. Oh, you always doing extra shit. Yeah, man, that's great. All right, nigga, fuck you. Thank you. Oh, yeah. That shit not good at all. Good trying, though. My girl pregnant again! Not again! Yeah! Why the fuck y'all keep throwing y'all hats? Yeah! Let's have breakfast. How much is it?
It's $3,000.
And my niggas always love it when I'm kissing them slow.
Oh wow.
No, not my, no. Your turn. Apple. Apple. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you. I drop out. Going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
What the fuck?
Yeah, we doing a documentary.
All around me are familiar faces.
Yo, this is for Cinco de Mayo, fool. I knew his hair wasn't real, fool. It's made of tissue paper or mouth.
I knew it! Hello, alarm. You call at the same time every morning. Hello? Speak, bitch.
She said, I want you to eat the bootleg groceries. Man, we want the real story. I said hello, she said goodbye.
It's been a
You just called me nigga? No.
I thought you said nigga.
Okay. Nigga, sit your ass down.
Where's the leftover?
He put the food in the.
Oh, you killed your mom.
She was weak.
Alfonso!
What are you so excited for? Amanda, girl, how you doing?
No new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no.
You wanna go, bitch? No, you want?
Come at me, bro. Come.
There, go right there. Get shit. No. I forgot my gun at the crib.
Hello from the outside.
This is my girlfriend, Brooke.
Hi.
I love her. She like to fuck me, suck me, fuck me. Really, nigga?
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Look at my dad, bitch. Dad. Look at my dad, bitch. Dad.
About to hit him with the damn Daniel.
Damn, Daniel. Hey, who the fuck is Daniel? Back at it again in the wrong hood.
Oh, I just got my hair did. What? It's Daniel's tonight.
Wait, to what?
To new friends. Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
Here, just. I'm coming. What's wrong?
I ordered ivory color foundation and they sent me Milky Way.
Hey, meet my girl, Miss America. Oh, that's what's up. Meet my girl, Miss Compton.
Hey, yo, what up, cuz? Man, run that, man. Baby, you like this hat?
I love that hat.
Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep.
What it is, ho?
Superman! I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean of fame. Pretty.
Come on, just one kiss, man. I don't know when you're gonna be this drunk again.
50 Shades of Black.
You want the back for me? Oh, yeah.
In the arms of the angel.
I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. Bitch, I ain't fucking with you.
Instagram is JENSELTER.
Got it. May I take your order?
I'll just have a water.
My eyes are always red.
Oh, you should use these eye drops.
Maybe he shouldn't. Anxiety.
You want some eye drop?
Isn't that your friend?
And then a hero comes.
Better make room. Okay, little underdressed.
I'm sorry.
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy, Kingbach. Peace.